In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add something to your wish list on Temu. Whether you're browsing for the latest fashion, gadgets, or lifestyle products, keeping track of your favorite items can be a game changer, especially when you're just browsing or waiting for a sale. So, let's dive in and make sure you never lose sight of those must-have items again. To get started, the first thing you want to do is open the Temu app on your device. If you haven't installed it yet, head over to your app store and download it. Once you have it, open the app and you'll find yourself on the home screen filled with all sorts of intriguing products and categories. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout. If you're new to it, this interface is where you'll spend most of your time selecting items that catch your eye. Now, as you scroll through the app, you're bound to find a product that piques your interest. Maybe it's a trendy piece of clothing, a high-tech gadget, or a chic home decor item. When you spot something you like, simply click on that product. This will open up the product details page, which provides you with all the information you need about the item, such as its price, description, reviews, and sometimes even related items. This is where you get a better look at what you're considering adding to your wish list. Once you're on the product details page, it's time to find the heart icon. This iconic symbol is your gateway to adding the item to your wish list. Typically located near the product image or the description, all you need to do is tap on this heart icon. And just like that, you've added the product to your wish list. Adding items to your wish list allows you to keep track of potential purchases, refer back to them easily, and sometimes even receive notifications if there's a price drop or an update on availability. A little tip for making the most out of your wish list. Regularly check it to organize or update the items. Your wish list can grow quite rapidly, so taking some time to review and adjust can help ensure you're really prioritizing what matters most to you. And remember, wish lists are private by default, but you can share them with friends or family if you're looking to drop a hint for an upcoming birthday or holiday gift. So there you have it. With these simple steps, you can efficiently manage your shopping preferences and never miss out on an opportunity to snag your favorite products. Happy shopping, and may your wish list be filled with everything you love. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and trick, and thanks for watching.